you very much. So as everyone knows, my name is Brian Kar. I started the business back in 1992. My grandfather started the business, not exactly the same business, but then we grew the business into heating and air conditioning. We were in manufacturing of heating systems back in Iran, and then in 1992 I started the business in Toronto. I'm affiliated with the most organizations in Ontario, such as Technical Standard, or it calls TSSA, ORAC, HRAI, Better Business Bureau, Electrical Safety Authority, Enbridge, and many other manufacturers. We provide high quality of service, and referrals is our base core, and we focus very much in referral businesses. Usually for every business we get minimum of 2 referrals, and doesn't always work, but most of the time we get that many clients. We do commercial and residential, such as furnaces, fireplaces, air conditioners, air handlers, baseboard heaters, hydronic systems such as boilers, and commercial rooftops, water source heat pump for building apartments or condos. Also, I do ductless air conditioners. We are the company that brought ductless industry into Canada, into Ontario, back in '80s. We do also heat pumps for people that they want to have one system that does both. Indoor air quality is also very important to us, and we're specialized, and we work with many doctors that they have patients with allergies and or breathing issues. We also do tankless water heaters, which allow you to have a small unit on your wall instead of having a big tank in your house. And we do also the different thermostats that you can control your heating and air conditioning from anywhere around the world. We parts with most recognized manufacturers in the world, such as Carrier, Lennox, York, Rinnai, Honeywell, Mitsubishi, and many more. We're also involved in fireplaces for the past 25 years. Gas, wood, propane, or even water fireplaces that most people haven't seen any. I have them on display in our showroom. If anyone has a condo and do not have any electrical, we have fireplaces that work with water, and they are unbelievable. You see an actual flame, but it won't burn you. You can even put your hands on, and it gives heat as well. We also do finishing. So anything I do custom make with stone, cast stone. These are basically my designs. That tree that you can see, it's not really a tree. It's something that I made out of stone, cast stone. I also, the one in yellow is also, we call it a marbleized stone. It's a man-made stone that we make it in our facility. All sort of any design that you can think of, and we just recently built one for Jonathan. It's a very beautiful modern look mantle. These are also the different fireplaces. You can have them see-through, so you can see the other side. You can have them 3-way. You can have them between in the bathrooms and master bedrooms, and you know, anything that you have in mind. We base our business on honesty. We think honesty always works. You can fool one, you can fool two people, but then they will find out who you are. So we base that on honesty and customer. Our focus is on customers and make sure the customers are happy with our service. And basically, do I still have time? This is what we do. The company, resume, staff, ethical values, and we have lots of different kind of training We have a training every Friday. So usually whoever we hire within a month, they are fully prepared to be on site and work with the staff that they have over 15, 20 years experience. Most of my employees, they've been with me for the past 20 years or more. I've never fired anyone in our company. In summer times we get up to 50, in winter time we get up to 50 people, but after the high season we'll go back to about 40 and change people. We're not in a small size, we're not such a big company, but we are a good size. And in the past few years when I had some health challenges, I decided to keep the company a bit small and focus on our customer service, and we're now down to about 30 to 40 people, and so trying to take care of myself as much as I can. We warranty everything we sell, at least 10 years on everything, and then people know that they have a reputable company behind the product that they buy. And in some of the products we give lifetime warranty on major components, so they know there is someone. It's a good thing that we do. Every once in a while we get clients that they lose their equipment, but it's worth it out of hundreds of thousands of customers. If you lose 15 or 20, it's not really a big issue, but it gives them the assurance, and they will pass on our name to others. These are some of the major of team that we have. On the right, the gentleman has been with us for about 40 years. He was working with my family, and then he came here with us. The rest of the team, they are with me for about 15 years or more. These are my loyal, the people that they, no matter what happened, they're always there. When I was in hospital for a few months, they were there. They would not care whether they paid or not. They showed their loyalty, and they stayed with me. And we never forget that. This is our Better Business Bureau. We also help a lot of companies such as Sick Kids Foundation, Toronto General Hospital, Ulcer Association, Colitis and Ulcer Association, Lung Association, and many, many more. A few different hospitals I've done. I worked for Toronto General Hospital, Westside Hospital, many more. A few malls such as Hillcrest Mall, Yorkdale, and a few more of these. This is some of our certification with companies, and what I like to get from you guys is to support, a good support. You support me, I'll support you. You support my family, I'll support your family. This is the way I do business with most people that I work with. These are some of my qualification and awards from different manufacturers, and I was #1 heating and air conditioning for 5 years during 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, and from 2003 to 2007, when I got very sick, I was #3, still #3, even though I wasn't really a business for about a year. And so that's about it. Thank you very much for listening to me.